The calculation question that's probably going to come up in your chemistry paper 1, and you're probably scared of it, is moles. Remember, G, Mr. Mole. G stands for mass, MR is the relative formula mass, and mole is the number of moles. Obviously, these aren't the right symbols, but G, Mr. Mole sounds better. Remember this, because then you just cover up whatever it is your question is asking you for, and this triangle tells you exactly what you need to do. For example, if I wanted G, these two things being next to each other, you would times them together. If I wanted MR, these two things, one on top of the other, think of that as a fraction line, that divided by that. If I wanted moles, think of that as a fraction line, that divided by that, to get moles. Cool. Question, we're finding the mass of 4 moles of CO2. To find the mass, we want G, so we need to do MR times by the moles. Let's find MR first then. Go look at your periodic table. You need to add together the masses of carbon and 2 lots of the mass of oxygen. Carbon's mass is 12, oxygen's mass is 16. 2 lots of 16 is 32. So in total, this is 44. Remember, to get G, we're doing MR times moles. So G equals 44 times by the number of moles we had, 4, which is 176. Don't forget the unit. Grams. Question, find the number of moles in 200 grams of CH4 to 1 decimal place. We want the number of moles. Cover that up. It says to do G divided by MR. We know G, that's 200, but we don't know the MR just yet, so let's figure that out. Same as we did earlier. Look at the periodic table. C is 12, H is 1, 16. That's our MR. Back up to here. 200 grams was our mass. 16 is our MR. Divide those bad boys, and that gives us 12.5 moles. Is that what I was after? Bullshit.